Hello. Just to making sure is my mic a bit too loud or anything? Because it's currently in the reds. Actually, I'm gonna turn down my mic a little bit. Yeah, there we go. That's a bit more reasonable. Uh, Hello everyone. It's been a while, huh? Been a while since I posted literally anything on this here channel, that this little dumpster fire that I call my channel. Stay in neighbor V4 when I don't know, maybe Saturday. I don't know. It's not that hard to come up with stay in neighbor ideas. Okay, so let's just get right to the goods. Uh I I basically made like a little New Year's resolution that I'm gonna act. Wait, why did I not close the freaking thing? Okay, you guys are. Hold on. Okay, okay. Okay. Anyways, uh, uh, I basically made like a little New Year's resolution that I'm going to really begin my little game dev journey where I will be releasing small little games that I create that I'll be making like small little games that are gonna go for just like a couple dollars, maybe if it's even long enough to even be priced. So yeah, I'll just be doing that, and I'll just be every week I'm gonna be streaming these these little dev streams, and that was the saddest walk over to a door I've ever seen. Yep. Yeah, I hate my closet. That's where the imposter comes out of. Anyways, yeah, that I'll just be making these streams to basically like catalog my development over these little games. And it's a thing that I've been wanting to do for a while now, and this year I'm actually gonna do it. And once I'm done with that game and it's ready to be released, I will make and release a video that basically I will make and release a video that just collects all of the different streams into one video. Think of it like a you ever heard of Daniel Kraft, who does all those Blender videos about him making like Minecraft mobs? He made Mr. Beast 50 million subscriber play button and all that. And yeah, those kinds of videos. That's what those videos will look like. Excuse me. Sorry. I swear I don't have COVID. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, findable. Release original game challenge. Yes. Now, I know I've basically made a what was it? A reputation of my channel being a Hello Neighbor channel. That wasn't what the original intent. That wasn't my original intent for the channel, but here we are. But yeah, I if some of you are still only subscribed for the Hello Neighbor content, please watch these streams and videos because I really like doing my own stuff and all that jazz. And I and that's not to say I don't like them doing the Hello Neighbor content. I still like doing them. It's just I don't want to make that the only thing I do on this channel. Does this mean the full version of In Spirits is gonna be canned? No, absolutely not. Instead it'll just turn into a hobby project rather than a thing that I'm really focusing on. I mean, I can't really focus on that in general because uh fan games don't really get aren't really great things to put in your portfolio. So yeah. Anyways, so as I was saying, yeah, I'll still be doing like the Hell Neighbor like content and all things related to that. It's just that this year I'm gonna be committing more to actually trying to grow my channel and create my portfolio so I can actually, become a game developer. I'm sorry, my puppy is just standing right here. You guys want to see her? You guys want to see her? Look at her. Yeah, look at her. Everybody say hi. Anyway, so yeah. Anyway, so yeah, yeah. Anyways, I'm going. So basically, this will just be the start of my game dev journey. Uh, is Project Kickstarter canned? No, it's not canned. That one's not canned either. It's just on hold, like in spirits. Those two are hobby projects that I'll maybe work on over like the weekends or something. But yeah, the weekdays are primarily going to be consisting of me streaming this kind of stuff, and making those kinds of videos. And I hope you all enjoy this kind of content because I am really excited for doing that, and I really like doing that kind of content. So yeah, with that out of the way, let's begin. Let's begin. Let us start with the tomfoolery, shall we? So let me just go to. So I'm just gonna switch to here, and this is just a Trello that I made for each game that I'm gonna be making. The games aren't gonna be very that long. They're just gonna be like, one and doneers. However, this first one is going to be relatively short. However, I'm basically going to be making it as needlessly hard as possible. So, yeah, just imagine like uh, what was that game called? What was that game called? It was like that like dungeon crawler game, or like that dungeon platformer, and it was like one of the hardest games ever made. I forgot what it was called, but I'm sure all of you all of my fellow internet gaming boomers would know what that was. So yeah. Anyways, let's let's continue with the things. So I'm going to be using Unreal Engine 4.27 for this. So just gonna run Unreal real quick. And I should probably use my phone for chat stuff. Uh, I can go content. What the why why is this not? Huh. Well, I could still use the actual YouTube app. I was using the YouTube Studio app. There we go. Yep, there's the live thing. Okay, cool. Alrighty. So, uh, no, Kamala, or whatever. It's not Terraria. It's a different game, but it was like a one of those shorter indie games. But whatever. Games. I wanted it to be a side scroller, and so I wanted to make it a side scrolling thing, and I don't. You know what, whatever. I'll just do side scroller. Yeah, here side scroller. This will be C++ because I am an epic gamer who knows how to code. Uh, I am going to set the folder to be what. I don't know why it's in that folder. I am going to change that. Well, actually, I think that's the right folder. Yep, that's the right folder. Okay. Never mind then. Let's. What should we call this? You know what? I'll just call this project. Uh, actually, a very unnecessarily hard game. Project name must not be longer than 20 characters. Well, screw you, Unreal. A very needlessly a needlessly hard game. Okay, thank you, Unreal Engine, for limiting me to that. Yeah, with star content, sure. Ray tracing disabled. We don't need any of that ray tracing stuff. Scalable 3D, 2D, yada yada yada. Desktop console. Yep. Create project. Oh, final first contact. That was a game that a sci-fi game that I tried making earlier, but then it turned into something else. Chrono Binding of Isaac. Maybe that might be what I'm thinking of. Well, it's not what I'm thinking of, but I guess this can be compared to that. Final. I mean, ray tracing is looks good, but this is literally like a game jam project. It's not supposed to be like super like it's not supposed to look good. I mean, it's not supposed to look like a AAA game or whatever. So yeah. And hold on, I'm just gonna make sure that my friggin' I'm just gonna make sure that my friggin' my stream mic is actually working. Babe. Yeah, it's working. It's working. Okay, nice, nice. Alrighty, and oh my, why is it all this open? Okay, there we go. I did on security breach is garbage. I wouldn't say garbage, but I'd say unfinished is the best word to describe it. Okay, I should actually. Okay, I should actually probably pull up my GitHub and like out of like a source control thing. Chelsea, what are you whining about? Huh? What you whining about, dog? And you just stared at me. Oh my goodness. I almost pulled out my headset once again. Oh my gosh. I should get a longer cord for this thing. Okay. So and and if you're wondering why I don't have my I'm not like showing any of this stuff is because uh it's just like my GitHub like I don't know why, but I don't feel like I should be showing my GitHub stuff on YouTube. I don't know why, but I just feel that way. I hope you understand. uh, source control, git, add a git ignore file. Yes, 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 yes. Initialize project with git, accept settings. Okay, it's adding the files. Okay. Now time to... Chelsea, stop sniffing my legs. Please stop. Gosh. She's an attention seeker. And Chelsea, if you could not... Okay, thank you. If you could not walk all over my... Wait a minute. Yeah, if you could not walk all over my cords, that'd be great. Add existing repository. This is not in documents. It is in here, here, and here. Here. Select folder. Repository. Yay. There's all of that. Okay. Initial commit. Commit to master. Okay, publish repository. I don't want to. I don't want to keep the code private. Organization. No, I don't have an organization. Publish repository. Yeah, okay. While it's doing that, let's think about... Okay, while it's doing that, let's think about how we're gonna make this incredibly difficult for no reason. Gregory is a little NFT buyer. He ain't the one buying NFTs, he's the one destroying them. Five Nights at NFTs. Okay. Technical difficulties, what do you mean? I mean, the stream looks fine from here. Whatever. If you get hit once you die, true. That is in fact a thing that needs to be done. To do. Get hit once, die. Lol. All right, there we go. I was thinking it'd be fun if I mixed the platformer genre with the bullet hell genre. Like, think Enter the Gungeon, but it's a platformer. A 3D platformer at that. Well, would it be called 3D if it was a side scroller? I mean, it has 3D graphics, so that would technically count it as 3D, but it's not. You don't go in X. You're not going north and west. You're just going left and right. Whatever. Who cares? Okay, get hit once, die. First thing. Final boss. Bullet hell. All right. Strict time limit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that'd be awful. Sure, let's add it. Strict time limit. Make a jump that is borderline impossible. Yes. Make a jump that is very, very unnecessarily hard to do. I like that BXAC23. That is a very, very epic idea. Needlessly hard jump. Nearly impossible. Unless epic gamer. When you pull up Unreal Engine, my brain goes mush. Yeah, that tends to have an effect on people. Okay, so I think what we should just start with first is just the basic movement, and I'm gonna check the GitHub real quick. It's done. It's done uploading. Okay. Okay. So, yeah, I think let's just start with like the kind of movement that I want to let's actually start with making my character. And let's just, so we'll just pull up good old Blender here. Why do I have Twitch open? No, I don't want you, Twitch. No, no. Get out of here. Get out of here, Twitch. Okay, anyways. Character model. Let's make him the most basic little low poly character guy ever. So just do that. Do that. Let's make his upper arms a bit more. Chelsea, I'm sorry, but I am streaming right now. I'm streaming right now, and my dad is working right now, so no, and you can't be out there alone because you'll just tear everything apart. So it's kind of your fault you're in the situation. Yeah, whatever. You're still very adorable. Okay. Anyways, scale this up a little bit. He's a bit. That is not what he is supposed to look like. Okay. Okay, yeah, just make that okay. It's a nice little basic character model. Well, torso. It's not a character model just yet. So just scribble this up. Do that. And then make the shoulders. Yeah, that's about the size of the it's about the size of the neck that I want it to be. There's the neck. Okay. Oh, dang, I forgot. I forgot. The most efficient way to do character models is you do this, delete all of that, and mirror on the y-axis, and there we go. Now I can actually make it so each side is actually the floor can fall if you stand on it for too long. Okay, that is actually very, very good. I will write that down. Small, needlessly hard. Oh wait, shoot, I forgot. I am big moron. I forgot to fix the chat. I forgot to fix the chat thing on, wait, no. No, the chat is there. Huh. It is there. Okay, whatever. I'm big moron. Okay. Modeling in 3ds Max and Blender is easy, but it's texturing that is a pain. Yeah, I can agree with that. Curve like a 5-minute time limit on the first level and it's 30 seconds on the second. Okay. Okay. So for the arms, maybe I need to up the size of this man's neck. Because the shoulders should not be that large. In fact, I don't think I am doing this right at all. Okay, Control Z all of that. And instead, what we're going to do is we're going to scale that down a tiny bit. Okay, there's that. Do that. Yep. That's not working at all. I may have done this completely wrong. Whatever. That is what this is for. So we're just going to make this local. Move that up a little bit. Bit more. Yeah, and extendo that. Rotate that. And maybe I should. Chelsea, what do you want? What are you whining about? She's just standing right next to my bed and staring at my AirPods that are charging. Why? Uh, just, uh, just why? Why? Jeez Louise. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Anyways, back to modeling before I was rudely interrupted. Hidden spike traps. Okay, hidden spike traps, cheat codes. Oh my gosh, cheat codes. Oh my gosh, a national pastime. Cheat codes. Okay. Cheat codes. Hidden spike traps that are near impossible to see. Okay, so the arms, I'm going to rotate that a bit. Move that. And I'm also going to move these down a bit. And forearms should size those down a little bit. Yeah. Look at his little baby arms. You know what? I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep that. He has the teensy tiny little baby arms. Oh, and I'll also make it so it's very, very difficult and very, very difficult to pick up items. So it's a very, very specific little like hitbox or whatever the freak. Okay. Baby arms. Baby arm. What? No, I pressed Alt. Oh, and I'm also gonna do like I'm also gonna pull a getting over it and make it so there's a bunch of little like hidden messages that will play whenever you lose. Just to piss them off, just piss the players off just a bit more. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so toxic. Bevel that a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna select all of these and bevel all of these just so it looks a bit smoother. And with that beveled, his head now looks squished. So I am going to raise that a bit, then raise that a little bit. Okay, there we go. Wait, are those overlapping faces? What the? What is? Oh, yes, they are. Because Chelsea, get down, get down, down, get off. Chelsea, off, off. And never mind. Actually, I was okay. I was actually planning on cleaning my sheets anyways. Here, we got dog hair. You can just lie down there. I can just lie down there and I don't know, sleep or whatever it is you Labradors do while we're not around. Yeah, I don't want. I don't need these to be. I don't need them to be perfect. I just need them to be uh not what? What? Excuse me? Why are there Oh, I am big moron. Yep. There's that. Now I can actually move these. There we go. Hey! Now it's nice and smooth and it doesn't look ugly when I turn that on. I still think his body is a bit too chonk. So let's unchonk the chonker. What does that make? No, it makes him look kind of buff. That's funny. Okay. And I should actually make these a bit narrow because hips are not that big. Okay. There we go. Okay. There we go. I'm just going to do shade smooth and then normal's auto smooth. Actually, no. Yeah, just do smooth, shade smooth. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Legs. Legs. Scale that down a little bit and then extrude. Oh no, maybe I'm just a tad bit immature, but for some reason This character model looks very funny to me. Okay, time to texture him, or rather shade him, because we're not really gonna be texturing him. It's just more creating different materials for shading, or for like different colors or whatnot. So let's first make his skin. And I will make it about that. Let's just turn on preview material. Sign. Then make everything. Still can't get over the freaking look. What? Why did I turn on caps lock? Okay. In new shirt. And I'll just make this blue. Assign. Wait, no, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Yep, there you go. And then select these. There's arms, and I'm gonna make that. Yeah, I'm just gonna give him bare arms. Actually, I'm gonna make that skin as well. Yeah. Yeah, doesn't he look ready to take on a dungeon? Okay. I think I should give him. Actually, I'm gonna do that. Make that his hips. Should I? Yeah, I'm gonna change his shirt color. I'm gonna rename this to pants. And then shirt. And make this just a plain old red. Okay, there you go. Assign? Yeah. I forgot this face somehow. Okay, there we go. Yeah, just make him just no shoes at all. Okay, yeah, that seems fairly reasonable for a like a 30 relatively short game. Yeah, seems like a reasonable character model. If you want to. So dead on the game is just about it's like it's a platform, it's a side scroll platformer. However, it's like 1 or 2 levels long, but it's gonna be insanely difficult for no reason. And just gonna be pulling all the bull crap around you. Thank you, Findable. Yo, it's Spider-Man. Okay. So now that's done, let's add some. Okay, actually, I'm gonna write that down. 1 level concept. 1 level, 1 boss fight. Boss fight. Bullet hell level. Long and extremely difficult. Some parts being nearly impossible. Imagine if I have a bit. Imagine I had a backwards long jump item where it just shoots you out into the level, and you end up is where you end up. Not even like a glitch that just allows you to bypass some parts of the game. It's just a roll of the dice. That'd be funny. Okay. Items, and I will. Oh, the thing again. I accidentally unplugged my my thing. I hope everything gets set. Uh, just hold on. I want this. I need to make sure that it's all. Yep. Okay. 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 All of it is done. It's done. Okay. Alright. Uh. Okay. For the bullet hole segment, make it so you have like 2 or 3 lives. Nope. No mercy. You have 1 life. You die. You get kicked right to the beginning. Oh, and to make it even more annoying, you get kicked to the title screen, not the beginning of the level, the title screen. So you have to go through your save files, and you have to go through the menus and go through the save file. Oh my god. Oh, this is gonna be so annoying. Uh, okay, so now that I fixed that, back to the guy. So that's armature, and I'm going to that down here. That there. Then I'm gonna parent. Wait, no. Parent clear. Disconnect bone, and that's gonna be the shoulder. Am I able to? No, I'm not. Gosh dang it. I can't. Oh, yeah, just do. Yeah, I could just do that. I was a bit peeved that I almost got peeved because I thought that I couldn't do like a mirror modifier for bones, but I could just duplicate it myself. Okay. Then I'm gonna clear disconnect bone. Clear disconnect bone. I'll probably just skip this entire process. I'll probably just skip through this entire process because it's. I mean, personally, I don't find it that enjoyable to watch, but hey, if you guys like it, if you guys like it, you could just keep on watching or whatever. So that is the arms and stuff done. Now the neck and the head. And now the hips. Actually, I should probably start naming stuff. Do a Shift D. Make it the root bone. Just call this root. Or just root that, I don't know. I don't know if it's case sensitive. I hope it's not. So I'm gonna make this the relations parent root there. And then that will be left shoulder, right shoulder, left upper arm, left upper, no, left forearm, right upper arm. There, you rename this right. Yep. Right forearm. Okay, and this will be spine, hips, and then these will be the legs. I'm just going to clear disconnect bone. Shift D. And then the relations will be hips. Yep. All that is correct. Right leg. Left leg. That goes out. Oh. I have to. I take ADHD medication now, so I have to. Actually, I gotta drink it anyways. I will be. Okay, there is a bot in my chat. Cool. Okay, I am going to hide user on this channel. Yep, there we go. Remove comment. Oh boy. Just gonna remove all of the yep. Delete all those freaking messages. Gosh, that's annoying. Hey, at least I'm popular enough to get bots in my chat. Oh, I forgot to capitalize this. Okay. And that is all the bones. And so I am going to parent this with empty groups. And I'm going to start assigning all these vertices to actually, I'm going to take my ADHD medication right now. So I will be right back. I forgot to make I forgot to make it a different image. There we go. Okay, now I'll be right back. Okay, normal pills have been taken. Please don't hate me for making that joke. Okay. So back to Blender. I'm gonna here. Oh, what the freak? What are the unnamed bones? What did I forget to name? and neck and head. Gosh dang it. Let me click on that. There we go. Neck, head. Okay. There we go. So I'm gonna go back into here, head, assign. And then neck. Spine. And then that'll be, is that gonna be spine? Yep. That is gonna be Gosh, I haven't done this in a long time. I gotta apply that, and now I have to do all of that. And now I have to actually apply these freaking, yep. I gotta apply stuff to that. Sign, I am big brain. So spine would be all of that. No. That. And all this. And then spine, yep, assign. Nope, didn't mean to do that. That would be right upper arm. And then that would be right forearm. And then would be left upper arm. And then left forearm. Hips. That would be for action. Yep. I gotta assign those two. And then left leg. Right leg. Okay. So, all right, so if I did this correctly, I should be able to move this. Yep, looks good. Then, yeah, that's right, but it looks very goofy, and honestly, I could care less. Yeah, that's all correct. Okay. Probably save this. Intruder, why did I... Oh. Ah. I forgot. I'm there. I started making a Roblox game with my friends from high school, and I made I made a freaking intruder mask in Blender. Okay. Okay. Character. I'll just call it character.blend. Okay. So yeah, there's that. I will export this as an FBX and put this into Unreal Projects. Where's Unreal Projects? There we go. And then here, content. Character.fbx. And let us see how this imports. Skeleton mesh, yada yada yada. Don't import animations, uniform scale. Yes. All of this is correct. Import. Multiple roots are found in the bone hierarchy. We only support single what? Why? Where is it detecting multiple root bones? I am an idiot. I am an idiot. I am in fact an idiot. I did heck. Import. Import. Yes, 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 I don't really care. Let's see how big this actually is. Oh, quite a bit bigger than I thought it would be. So, let's go into the where? Import settings, mesh. Okay, yeah. Here, wait, what? Oh, it'd be in transform. Okay. Try 0.6 and see what that does for us. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah. That's totally fine. Okay. Skeleton, yes, all that is fine. I'll add a folder for materials. Okay. I'll add another one for animations. And just close this out because okay. Okay, now animations. Let's see. Let's just make a basic running animation. It's gonna look so freaking goofy. Okay. So I want to it's local. I want to rotate this. Yeah, rotation. Turn around. Get that. Rotation, yes. Do the exact same for these here legs. And I want this to be at 60 because that's the norm. Let's just make this 20 frames. Why not? I want to copy and paste all of this here. Where's the thing where it only shows like show hidden? Yes, there we go. Wait, what? Only show selected. No. There we go. Okay. It's the M220 frames. Yes, findable. It does look like Roblox. Oh wait, I think. Oh, never mind. You were just talking about the game I was talking about a few minutes ago. I'm dumb. To black with only players. And he hyper realistically explodes before going into a long dramatic mock. That's hilarious. Okay, I'm gonna drink my gamers up, so I gotta get that caffeine, you know. Okay. And I am now going to Copy data path. What? What? Okay, I'm just gonna copy all this and paste it. What? Oh, you know what? I should just copy this and paste that. Copy. Paste. Are you kidding me? Okay. I'm gonna need to take this myself. Whatever. Right. Okay, so now you get this very funny looking get this very funny looking animation. Let's add some little bobbing, shall we? So it actually looks like he's moving. And I'm gonna that up. What? No, scripting. No, I don't want that. I want this. Okay. Goodness. Okay. Okay. There we go. That's a little walking animation. Or running or whatever you want to call it. Okay. Just gonna export that. Go into animations. And call this run character underscore run anim. Go in Unreal. Import. I'll check. Wait, no. Import mesh skeleton character skeleton. Exported time. Import. There we go. What the freak? What was that? What? Okay, let me try doing that again. Imported bone transfer is different from original. Please check output log to see detail of. Warning import. Imported bone transfer. Okay, so I guess I can't animate the root for that. I'm just gonna clear keyframes. Just gonna go back. Clear keyframes. Save that. Can I move? Okay. That's good. I could just do the same with the spine. And then just copy and paste those over. And then we get literally the exact same thing. Okay. Just export that back to that. Then import the. Oh my gosh, I hate it when it does that. I hate it when it does that. I don't know why it does that sometimes. Just it. No, that's not. You're wrong. It's not. The transfer is not. The transform is not different. It's not. The transform isn't different. What? This doesn't make any sense. Why is it so small? Why is it so tiny? Re-import animation. Why is it so tiny? This doesn't make any sense. Root. Chronator looks like a generic Roblox NPC. Yes, that is the point. Ah! Okay, let's take it to Google. All right, good. All right, Google. Let's see what you can do for me. Wait, what was the actual error message? What was the actual error message? I need to see the actual error message. Imported bone transform is different from original. Imported bone transform is different from original 84. How to solve warning imported bone transform is different from. Why? Imported bone transform is different from the original. Hope imported bone transform is different. I have very little experience with 3D rigs. That error shows up when your mesh bones and animation bones are different. Shape, size, location, rotation. Most likely you edited a bone without knowing. You should try re-exporting everything and re-importing them with new source and locate new FPX files. Okay. Gonna need to export the character again. Import. Okay. Re-import. Okay. That doesn't make any sense. I figured out that another fix I didn't not have to just root bone was to rename my skeleton armature. This causing the issue with bone transformation since that is how can I keep from it having an extra root without breaking it? That's what it's all correct. Pain, agony, even. Does warn because the way we import and the way we transfer doesn't always match a third-party program. Why does my It is just a warning for you to check, make sure it looks fine. Reveal. Changing name from armature of armature from armature to any other name. Okay. Rename. Bones. BX character. Re-import. Okay. I'm gonna export this Animation. Re-import. Freaking. Oh! Warning, no smoothing group information was found in the epic scene. Are missing from the bind pose? For wait, they're not in the correct orientation after. Please set that you as replace option or add them to the bind. Oh. Okay. That was, seems like that was what I did wrong. Mesh. I always have to check that. Always have to. Okay. I will delete these. Then delete these. And then re-import the character. What was the freaking, what was the thing? Use, please set the option or add them to the bind post and report the skeleton. Okay. Where? But it's not even a set. Oh. There it is. I'm an idiot. Okay. Pose. Pose, clear transform all. I'm gonna delete the keyframes. Then I'm gonna re-export this. Why does it not? Okay, whatever. Whatever, Unreal. Rough pose import. That doesn't make any. Okay, well, at least the actual poses. Where is the materials folder? Huh. I don't remember deleting that, but okay. Mesh. Skeleton. That doesn't. Bone digest. Please make sure to win no smoothing export smoothing groups option and export plugin before exporting the file. Check. Source global transform. That doesn't. Okay. Gonna need to. Let's re-import the animation. Why is it still so tiny? This is pain. This is genuine pain. This is genuine pain. What are these other This reminds me of the time I tried to make a 3D skybox in the Source SDK. I assume that did not go very well for you. Oh my gosh, why is this so hard to do? This shouldn't. Main skeletal mesh totally fine. Animations all empty and tons of bones transfer error messages. I had the wrong world scale. I need to change the metrics to. Apply transfers above mesh armature. What? What does that mean? Two. Yeah, that is exact same problem. Can you give us the printout on the actual? Blender scale is off. Your transforms are being forced to 100. Need to change the scale in Blender to recreate or scale up the animations. Problem was on the scene units. Scene unit settings. Preferences. What? Would that be here? No, those are the render properties. What is... Scene unit settings in Blender. I need to set the unit scale to 0.01 because it was set to... Scene unit settings. Blender. Let's just do Blender 2.9 because I think that's what I'm using. Change units and show dimensions in Blender. Yada yada yada. Please. Okay. That's 0.01. Oh. That does make sense. Focal length. What? Yeah, that looks about right. But I'm gonna have to recreate the animation. It's not, I don't really care that much, considering how it's legit not a complex. It's literally not a complex model in the slightest, so it's not going to be hard to reanimate it. It's just the fact that it's this dumb of a problem that really freaking pisses me off. Why do you... What? Where did the armor... Where did the armature go? Oh, okay. Oh, it's 100. Excuse me? Why? Oh. Oh no! I'm gonna have to deparent. I'm gonna have to deparent this. Parent. Your parent. There we go. Parent. Affected groups. Richard Farm. Now I'm gonna need to redo all of... Remember when I said I wasn't too pissed off? Well, now I am very pissed off. I didn't think it would be this problematic, and yet here we frickin' are. Okay, head, neck. That, all that. Spine. Right upper arm. Right forearm. Left upper arm. Left forearm. Did I accidentally set this to spine too? Ay. Sign. Okay, that's that fixed. Right leg. Left leg. Cool, there we go. Okay, and if I did in fact do this correctly, yep. What? I'm actually gonna set this. Set this to root. Because I do not. Yeah, there we go. Okay. The X character export. Import. Delete. Six. Yes, there we go. It's the same size. Good. Save all that. Oh my gosh, why is it flashing like that? Gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so... Why does Unreal do that? I can't. Oh my gosh! Don't tell me I'm gonna need to reload the frickin'. I'm gonna need to reload the editor, don't I? Ay ay ay. Ay ay ay. This is so very, 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 very irritating. Whatever. 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 I'm just gonna get back to making this frickin' animation. Think. And I was having so much fun earlier. Thank you. Thank you, Blender. Thank you, Unreal, for having different different units of units for some reason. There's completely separate applications. I'm actually not that surprised, but it's still irritating. And creation. Okay. Now export this. No, I don't want to export as an STL. Animations, character, yada yada yada. Yep. That's all fine and dandy. Gosh, dude. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna freaking restart the editor. Gosh, this is so. Why does it do? Why did it do that? Gosh, ugh. Also, why is it the chat showing there? Is it? Is it the same? Yes, that's the same. That's the same thing. Okay, whatever. This is going so well. Thanks, Findable. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, this is going so well. Okay, freaking reopened. It won't even let me import it. Cool. I don't want to import the mesh. Export a time. Import. And it's still. And it still has the same problem. Why? Just why? Oh, wait a minute. Do not freaking tell me. Do not freaking tell me that I have to. Unit system. Length. It's a length 2 centimeters. Ah. Okay. FBX. Character.fbx. Re-import. There we go. Okay, now paste. Paste it. What? thing over again. Once again. Again, not that difficult. It's not difficult at all. Just irritating. Who had the genius? Oh my gosh. This is genuinely like super irritating that Blender and Unreal's units of measurement are so different that I have to go in the settings and change it myself. Nope, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, so that's that. I can go back to here. Location. Oh my gosh, and I didn't even animate. Didn't even animate the right leg. Okay. I never thought that just making a simple little animation like this could be so difficult, so irritating, difficult to work with. Or I don't want to import the mesh. And now it has. It didn't freaking invent anything. It just made it worse. If oh, it just freaking made it worse. Okay. I have the same issue after changing length to centimeters and unit scale. Nope, didn't. Same issue after following. What Blender does when you change scale rather than what the import says. Set your scale up correctly and see if you need to shrink and enlarge the object or adjust animations to the skeleton 2 after scaling. Ultimately, for Blender, I did have to set units to 0.01 in centimeters, same as the other guy on the scale files are already. Yeah, but I set all of that. Like I literally I did all of that. This could possibly go wrong. Archer. Mesh. Why scaling changes to the forward is that's negative x. Bake space transforms this object to avoids getting unwanted rotations to objects when target space is not aligned with Blender's space. Experimental operation use at your own risk, yada yada yada. Apply scaling change to it. Check apply unit. Apply unit. Use space transform. Everything else alone. Tangent space. Apply modify. That should get rid of the no smoothing group error. It doesn't. Sure. No, no leaf bones. I'm gonna need to make this entire freaking thing. Okay. Click transform all. Okay. See up. Geometry. Tangent space. Sure. Leaf bones. What they're referring to about is the ends of the last bones of the hierarchies. Okay. Leaf 4. Actually, no. I want to UE4. Okay. Okay. Let me try. There we go. There's the animation. Export FBX. Animations. Export FBX. Wait, did I even do it? Was it even set to the preset? Yes, it was. Okay. Now I'll just do this. It's still the exact same freaking. Why? It's the FBX importer. Now delete the files or just import the same file, but this way you are going to fix the problem. Next time, I'm going to fix the problem. Ooh, goody. The options for the importer pop up. And pop up with check marks on import mesh, skeleton mesh. Look at the options. Look at two specific fields. Import scale. And force X forward. Now that you know what they say, uncheck import mesh. Import scale. Import scale. Import uniform scale, yes. And import and force X forward. Where is that? Force front X axis. That is not what I did. Okay, mesh at the top of the scroll down 2 spots again. Let you know what they say on check import mesh. Scroll down 2 spots against scale and 4 seconds forward. They should be different from when you had to import mesh checked. That is your problem. Whenever you change either field, it doesn't update the other in the FBX importer options. Next time, make a different file location from spot for animations. It's not even like guarantee. Yeah, it still doesn't even freaking work. I can't even import my own animation. I can't even import my animations without. They keep saying that the scaling is wrong, but it's not true. It's still showing it's still showing the freaking error. What? Converted global transform. This is just so painful. What? This is the name of the bone that I'm using. That but it is. This is not my beyond my ability. Opposite. I don't know. I'm real well enough to. I did a bit digging as has been a bit overloaded. And I was trying to. This seems to be a similar issue with a link. What it's saying is it's great. Don't care. This could be the issue from memory or character's course. Worked with my model. One thing different is this was made by me. Hmm. All in Blender, all bone placement is right and everything is working fine, but sometimes exporting with VX 7.4 binary exporter bones snap to 000 location anywhere for there's not happening all bones for me. I can fix it just by moving bone a little bit and export. It's because export works fine and I exported and imported mesh and animations anyway for, but this little bag drove me crazy when I can't fix it, which is yada yada yada. I upload the file, but you will need Unreal Engine 4 to reproduce the error. Oh, this is with 3DX. Wait, no. This is with Blender. Yeah, this is with Blender. Yeah, that's with Blender. I don't know what to do with those issues with UE4. Oh my gosh. Yes, I think the problem is in Blender, site pros WX files, but if you read the link I gave people, people don't know how to fix it as for other engines like an exporter. It didn't stop me from using Blender with you before I make all of these Blender. Before Blender I was using my 3D. Didn't want to go. None of this is helping. Yeah. That helped me fix it. It dies. The solution was. Turns out all I had to do was rename my character in Blender from Armature to anything else. Rename. Okay. Yeah, it seems okay. Fine. Totally fine. Ay, ay, ay. Why is this so... Oh, hi Draxus, welcome to the stream. Hey Dumb Beast, welcome to the stream. I'm making a freaking platformer, and that is needlessly hard. It's a rage game that I'm making, and it is literally impossible for me to import a freaking animation just in UE4. It just gives me this. It just keeps giving me this, spitting out this error that makes zero sense. Gosh. Let me just try that. Import. Failed to import. Mesh contains bones as bone as root, but animation doesn't contain the root. What? Pose root. What? This literally makes no sense. Let's do it again. Wait, no. Did I actually not? Oh my gosh, don't. You're... Okay, so that would be this one. Wow. Genuinely don't... Okay. So that was the issue. It was the combination of the units in Blender being different from Unreal's, and the fact that Unreal just for some reason doesn't like the armature to be named armature. So there we go. Let me just run and so cool. That's the oh. Chelsea, please. Okay, I'll. My dog is a freaking wants to get out, so I'm gonna I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. And with an actually working animation now. Cool. So I'm just gonna open this up. And now I can actually do some actual Unreal Engine things. Character. Gonna move this up. Set everything to the smallest thing possible. That can be as precise as I want with my transform. Okay. Cool. Cool. Okay. And so, yeah, there is game character .cpp. Huh. I want to redirect all of I want to move all of that. No, I don't want to make, I want to make a folder. Folder. Folder! Can I create new folders and classes? Game. Why? Why? You know what? Screw you, Unreal. I'm gonna do it anyways. In the good old-fashioned Windows 10 File Explorer. Characters. Game character. I think I need to reload Unreal before I can do that. And I will do that right now. Also, why are there all these what are these bot accounts being in my chat? Keeps sending me like literal nothing. Literally nothing. Okay, just waiting for all of that. Okay. There. Cool. Except it actually... What? Why can't I... Let me see. What? Well, I guess it's gonna have to be unorganized. Yay. Why won't it? Ah, that's dumb. Cannot create new class, new folders. Okay, let me see if that's fixable. Cannot create new folders in. And what was the thing? Folders in classes. I'm gonna search game UE4. Cannot create new folders. Yes. This was the issue I was having. Apologies, the new folder option for was never hooked up. However, you should just be able to type in a subpath when using the new C++ class option. The addition of that class will cause your new subfolder to appear. Okay. Whatever. I'll just create a new actor. I was wanting to make traps anyway, so we might as well just make this. Spike. Actually, no. I'll make a single trap actor and make it so I can choose what type of trap it is. Hard game actors. After I get some of the character's basic animations done, the running and jumping animations, I will. However, you must recompile that. Yeah. Yes, I understand. I know this error. This is a very, very dumb error in in Unreal Engine's thing. So basically, what it does is that if you make it if you add an extra like path to the an extra like folder to the path in the where the C++ files get created, it's supposed to create a new it's supposed to create a new folder and rebuild all of that. However, it doesn't do that and it fails to build it for some reason. And so I have to go in the thing and rebuild it myself, which is super dumb. But it's Unreal. A lot of things are dumb with it. In the meantime, I will continue. I will now make I will now make a jumping animation. So I'm going to make this, okay. I'll make this 10 frames. Considering it's just supposed to be the jump start animations and all that. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and make the idle animations. So just do all that. Export. Wait, no. I don't want that to be the idle animation. I want to make this the idle animation. I'm just going to delete those keyframes. Rotation. And I'm just going to make this a like a Minecraft Steve-esque idle animation. I'm just gonna copy and paste those keyframes over there, and right in the middle. Just gonna ink. This has to be a lot longer. Seems like. I will just make this. That would be, yeah, 80. 80. Okay. I don't want this to be like that. Like, what? No, I don't. Oh, wait. Got to set the keyframe. Gosh dang it. Okay, there we go. Yeah, whatever. That's a pretty decent looking idle animation. I mean, it's not that great, but I am not an animator. This is supposed to be a very simple game anyways, so whatever. One failed. Cannot open include file, no such file or directory. Oh, that's in here. I have to add that to the frickin' include file, include path for literally no reason. I always forget about that dumb part of the frickin'. I always forget about that, but that dumb thing. Okay. What was I doing? Oh, right. Yes, I was importing the idle animation. And I believe that was the right one. Yep, that is the right one. I don't know why it creates duplicates and some are only a single frame long, but that's just one of the mannerisms of Unreal. Some things it does some things that don't make sense, and you are just gonna have to roll with it. So yeah, there's the idle animation, and now I'm gonna make the jump animation. And yeah, rotation, rotation, rotation. Definitely gonna need to use those legs, hips. And the final pose, I want to be going to the transition into the falling animation. So okay. Wait a minute. I forgot to freaking Okay. Uh, that's definitely not long enough. I'm gonna make this 30 frames actually. Wait. That's definitely not too long, so that's 15 frames. There we go. And I keep forgetting that I keep forgetting that I have to press I on this to add keyframes every time I do that. Gosh, his arms are not looking. His arms ain't looking that great. I'll make this 20 frames actually. Let's see what that does. That's a pretty decent jump animation. I liked it. FBX. Idle. Jump. Start. Mesh. Port. Why? Why is it reversed? Did I? Why is it reversed? Just gonna set the import rotation to 180. There we go. I don't know why it's reversed, but okay. Then for the jump loop, I want to make this 10 frames relatively fast. Actually, no, it's 20 frames because I want to make it a loop. So I just make it like this. So then I just move. That's a pretty good one. Export FBX. Jump. Loop. I really did just spend like an hour trying to fix one dumb problem. Which one is the real one? That's the real one. And that's the real one. However, I have to rotate this, re-import it. There we go. And finally, the jump. The jump end animation. The jump land animation. So I want this to be at 0. What? No, not like that. Pose all rotate. Clear transform all. Clear transform all. Just manually select all of these breaking bones. Actually, no, those didn't even have keyframes to begin with. Okay. Okay. The X jump and okay. Then import that. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish up these animations and then call it a day. Call it a stream. I think I'll create a second channel. Actually, yeah, I'll post this entire stream on my second channel on Compost 2 if you are subscribed to that. Please subscribe, by the way. I post random things and memes occasionally. Please, but just to subscribe, please. And also subscribe to my channel. Sorry about that. That was just my mom. My stream didn't end. My stream didn't end. Jacatron. And yes, I do still do Hello Neighbor stuff. Just not like that often anymore. But yeah, anyways, to catch you up to speed, I'm making a little indie game of my own. It consists of one level and one boss, and it's just gonna be insanely hard for no reason at all. And I'm gonna sell it for like $4 on GameJolt and itch.io. Gosh, why did my ADHD make my ADHD makes me repeat things if you haven't noticed. My quote unquote stutter isn't like it isn't a stutter. It's not like it's not like a that stutter where I just can't spit it out. It's where like I start talking and then I pause, repeat what I'm saying, pause, repeat, and then I actually get a sentence out, which is which is kind of weird. It's kind of weird to have a half stutter, but it's actually not that bad. It's not, yeah. At least I don't think it is. Okay, anim BP, and I'm going animation blueprint, character skeleton, yes. Character anim BP. I'm gonna make a 1D since this is we are only going left and right. Character speed and wait a minute, excuse me. Excuse me? Import settings, mesh. Transform miscellaneous force. Yeah, there we go. That was what that's what I originally wanted. Okay. So the horizontal axis is just gonna be called speed. Minimum and the I'm just gonna make the speed 300. And 0 is gonna be idle. Run is gonna be maximum, and every oh my gosh, that's so funny looking. I think I should slow down this animation here. Okay, yeah. Rate scale 0.8. That's 7. Yeah, that's better. Okay. All right, that's that. Character and MVP. State machine. Locomotion. Add state. Idle. Walk. Not idle. Run. Character speed blend. Beep. Then variable speed. Okay. There. Then state jump start. Oops, didn't mean to add a bracket there. And that would be the jump start animation. And then this would be in air. In compile state jump loop. This is the most, and by the way, if any of you guys want to follow this, you can. This is literally the most basic jumping, running animation blueprints. So that's gonna be the jump loop. Wait, nope. That's not gonna be it. Okay. Time remaining. Yep. Or is it less than or equal to, let's do 0.1 or 0.2. And it's the blend duration. Yep. Jump. Nope, not that one. Jump loop. State jump and in air not jump, and I'll go back here. Time remaining. Two. Okay. That should be good. However, I still need to do cast is it side scroller character? Yes. You know what? I'm actually gonna change up the BP side scroller character. I'm gonna change that up. Okay, there we go. Refresh nodes. What? Cast to BP side scroller character. Yeah, there we go. I don't know why the cast nodes don't change. Oh my gosh, it's doing the thing again. Okay. Piece of garbage. Why does it do that? Gosh. My gosh. Open the thing back up again. Okay. As I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, let's do this and do get velocity, vector length, set speed, and that's gonna be put to there. Get is wait, character movement is falling. Put that there, and then put that there. Compile, but nope, compile, save. And go here. Open. So, okay. Mesh. Wait a minute. Did I do the did I do that? I don't want to loop that. I do want to loop this. I don't want to loop that. Good. Yes, that's good. That's all good. Ugh! Why is that so big? Right. Because of the animations. Okay, I gotta set the import uniform scale as well to 0.7. Was that what was it? What was it? 0.7 that I set to? No, it was 0.6. 0.6. 0.6. 0.6. 6 and 0.6. Okay. Now re-import, 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 and re-import. And save all of that. Did I set the... Yeah, okay. Look at him, look at him. Okay. Okay. As it turns out, these have to be turned around. Once again, set that to 0. 0. Re-import. Save. Whoa, wait a minute, what the heck? He's flipped! I must turn him around. Also, why isn't the... I imported the wrong... I kept the wrong frickin' animation. Okay. Import idle. And character, yada, yada, yada. Where is the actual animation? That's not it. That's it. And now I can use that. Okay, there we go. And I forgot about the uniform scale. Once again. There we go. Now he's actually right. And he is, once again, reversed. What the? What? He wasn't turned around? Oh. That's supposed to... Oh, I'm an idiot. Yep. There we go. Nice. Nice little animations. However, I am going to want to extend the length of this to 800 to make it, yep, there we go. Yeah, it's a bit more Metroid-esque camera view. Cool. All right, well, that's the basic, that's the basic character, and this is the basic character. Yeah. Cool. Okay. Well, this was very, very fun and very freaking irritating as well with the freaking animations. However, I also had a lot of fun, and I will see you guys tomorrow. What? Owen Spammer, what? What do you mean? Oh my gosh, no! It's a different freaking mods. Not mods. Bots! Why? Oh my gosh. Okay. So there it is. Anyways, that this is the end of the stream for today. I will see you guys tomorrow where I make some more stuff with like items and stuff like that. Or actually, I think I'll do traps tomorrow. Traps and items. Yeah, I'll do that tomorrow. All right. All right, so yeah, this is a nice stream, very stressful.